Hi, my name is Taylor with TenantCloud, and in this video I'm going to show you how to view and print invoices in your TenantCloud account. TenantCloud makes it easy for you to view, print, and keep track of your invoices for your personal records. To view your invoices, click the Accounting button from the far left menu. Next, click Details on the desired invoice. From here, you will see the status of the invoice, method of payment, and the user. When you are ready to print the invoice, click the three dots menu at the top right and select Print from the drop-down menu. Your printable invoice will show all the same information that you are able to see in the Details section of the invoice. And that's how easy it is to view and print your invoices within TenantCloud. To start managing your maintenance requests and invoices for free with simplicity and ease, just go to www.tenantcloud.com or click the link below in the description and sign up today.